Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Sodium to any version of Minecraft on your Mac. Before we get started, it's important to note that you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. So if you don't have it already, I will leave that tutorial linked in the description below. The first thing we need to do is download the correct Minecraft version files, so we can install Sodium later. To do this, you want to open your Minecraft launcher, and then you want to select the version of Minecraft you want to install Sodium to. So for this example, it's 1.20.4. Once Minecraft has opened, this means the files have been downloaded, so we can go ahead and quit the game. Now we'll just need to download Fabric. To download Fabric, which is the modern platform we use to install Sodium, we first need to open our web browser, and you want to go to fabricmc.net. I'll leave this website linked in the description below. From here you want to click on the download button, and then you want to click on the download installer button, and then you want to go ahead and download the Fabric installer to your Mac, and for this example, I'm going to download it to my desktop. We also need to download the Fabric API so our mods run correctly. So to do this, you want to click on the Fabric API link underneath the download button, and this will take you to the CurseForge website. From here you want to click on the Files tab, and then you want to scroll down and you want to select the version of the Fabric API you are trying to run Minecraft on. So for this example it's going to be 1.20.4, so we're going to click on this and then you want to click on the download button, and after about 5 seconds, the download should automatically start, so you want to go ahead and download the Fabric API to your Mac. Again, I'm going to download it to my desktop. The final thing we need to download is the Sodium mod. So to do this, you want to open your web browser, and you want to go to a modern website of your choice. For this example, we are using modrienth.com. From here you want to scroll down, and you want to click on Discover Mods, and then you want to find the Sodium mod, which should be listed near at the top. Once you are on the mod web page, you want to click on the Versions tab, and then you want to scroll down, and you want to find the version you want to run Sodium for. So again for this example we want 1.20.4, and you want to make sure it is selected for the Fabric platform, so we're going to click on this, and then you want to click on the green download button, and again you want to download it to your Mac. Now we've downloaded Fabric, the Fabric API, and Sodium, we just need to go ahead and install Fabric. So to do this, you want to open the Fabric installer, and if you get this error message, it means we need to approve in our system settings. So to do this, you want to click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner, and then you want to click on System Settings. Once you're inside your system settings, you want to scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Now you want to scroll all the way down of that menu until you find the Fabric installer listed, and you want to go ahead and click on Open anyway.